Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a card using a couple of stamp sets. We have the Heartfelt Hexagon. We're going to be using this sentiment, Let's Eat Cake. Then we have the Unbounded Love stamp set, and we're going to be using the Happy Birthday. And then we have the Flowers of Beauty bundle. So we're going to be using a stamp and some of the dies, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our our Life is Sweet paper pumpkin kit. It makes 9 cards and has a Shy Shamrock stamping spot. And it coordinates, it features rather, the new 24 to 26 in colors. We have a coordinating die set, the add-on of Thanks and Beyond dies. You can purchase these for $12. The item number is 164397. However, you do need to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get these dies. They coordinate with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin kit. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell them and mail them in the United States. If you are interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Lastly, we have our Join special. For the month of May, Stampin' Up is having a great starter kit special. So when you purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, you're going to get to choose $125 worth of product. Anything that you want, $125 worth, okay? And Stampin' Up is going to go ahead and throw in a bunch of in-color products for you, up to $82 value. Not up to, but it is an $82 value. So what you're going to get in the in-colors are the 5 stamping pads, a variety pack of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, the 6x6 designer series paper with the new in colors, as well as the Stampin' Right markers and the 5 new in colors. So all of this in your starter kit, plus the $125 worth of product you're going to choose. And you get a paper pumpkin, one of the past paper pumpkin kits in your starter kit, plus a business supply pack. All of that for $99, and it's going to ship to your house for free. So shipping is free. Okay? Now, that is over $200 worth of products for $99. So if you're going to spend $99 on product, you might as well get the starter kit and get you a bunch of freebies because there's no obligation. All right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. We're going to start with the inside of our card. We have a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I have gone ahead and added a 1/2-inch strip of some of the 24 to 26 in color glimmer specialty paper. And we're going to stamp on the inside Happy Birthday. And we're going to stamp that in the Summer Splash. Okay. And I believe I need to turn it this way. And we're going to stamp Happy Birthday right there like that. And then we're going to get a piece of basic white. And we're going to stamp our next sentiment, which is Let's Eat Cake. And we're going to do that in Summer Splash as well. I'm going to try to get that right in the middle here. Just like that, okay? So that is most of this. Well, we can go ahead and get all the stamping done since we're stamping. So let me get another piece of basic white. And I'm going to stamp a flower in the Pretty in Pink. And I need scrap paper because I'm going to stamp off. So let me get some grid paper here. So I'm going to stamp. I think I'm going to try. This is my first time using this stamp. So I'm going to stamp our main image. Not main, but the solid image and stamp off. Then I'm going to stamp it here on the paper. Then I'm going to take our outline and I'm going to stamp that full strength. If I get my head in the camera, just excuse me, I have to get over this. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so that's it for that. And while we have this image here, we're going to go ahead and die cut it out. So we're going to be getting a mini Stampin' and Cutting Emboss machine. Get our die. I'm going to line this up. Get some washi tape to hold it down. Okay, so we have our die cut here. Look like I went a little to the side, but that's okay. We have it. We're done. So now we're going to put our card together. So let's get our card base. This is Petunia Pop 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Burnish down that score line using our bone folder. We're going to take some liquid glue, and we're going to go ahead and put our inside in the card. Ooh, I forgot this is new glue. Oh man, I squeezed a little too hard. Oh goodness. Let's open this up. Open up. I am loving this glimmer paper. Okay. And I should tell you, I am using the Kendra's Cards Challenge number 14, and we are doing sketch number 7. Okay. And after that, we got that in. We're going to take this piece, and we have some designer series paper that we need to put on here. I didn't tell you the designer series paper we're using is the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper. It comes 12 by 12, but I cut mine down to 4 by 6. So I'm trying to find my pieces of designer series paper. These are from the card sketch, and I am using paper patterns A and C and D as in David. So let's go ahead and put these papers on our cardstock here. So we're going to put this one down here like that. And this one is going to go at the top. Okay, so we have that. Then I have some glimmer paper, and we're going to add this to our glimmer. Let me straighten this one up. We want to make sure we have this straight. We're going to add this to the glimmer paper. Because it's going on glimmer and I'm not using the tearing tape, I want to make sure I get a lot of glue on here to make sure it sticks down. And I'm using the Pretty in Pink Glimmer. Okay, so we have that. Next, we're going to get another piece of our designer series paper. This is pattern D. And we're going to have another sheet of the, not a sheet, but another strip of the glimmer. And we're going to put this across our designer series paper here. Trying to get it in the middle. Whoop, whoop, where am I doing? Where are you going? Okay, we need to get it straight down the middle, like so. Then we have some more paper, some more designer paper, 2 little strips here, and we're going to glue these on to our glimmer. So we're going to put these let me see. It's just going to have the tiniest little border. Now, this glimmer paper, most of it is going to be covered up, and the card sketch called for like little pieces to back these small pieces of designer series paper. But when I'm using when I have to put things at the ends, I like to have one strip to make sure they're in the same spot on either end of the panel. Okay, so we got this on here. Ooh. You got to give it time to catch to that glimmer. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add this to our card base. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna add this to the card base, just like that. Okay, now this is gonna be added right here like this. Now I know my paper, my pattern paper is directional, but most of it is getting covered up, so you won't really be able to tell that those flowers are going sideways. I thought about rotating the sketch, but I liked it in the landscape orientation better. Plus my sentiment fit better in this orientation. So this is how we're gonna do that. Okay, so let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals because I want to pop up our flower here. So we're gonna take our flower, we're gonna put some dimensionals on that. I think I'm gonna use 3 dimensionals. And we're gonna put this right here like that. And then I have 3 little flowers that I die cut using those what is it, Flowers of Beauty dies. And this is the Petunia Pop glimmer paper. Aren't those pretty? And I should have put them on adhesive sheets, but I did not. So we're just gonna have to add it with some liquid glue. But I'm just gonna use a little bit. Come on, I don't want to squeeze too hard, so I'm not squeezing hard enough. I'll put one right there. I think I want to put maybe right there. And the other one. Let's put it down here. We'll have all of them. Okay, so that is our triangle. So I'm gonna still use some of the 24 to 26 in color resin dots. And what I'm gonna do, do I want to use Petunia Pop or the, yeah, I'm gonna use these small ones to put right here in the center of our flowers, our glimmer flowers. Just like that. Oh, let's scoot that over. Then I think that'll be it. I was going to use a pink one on here, but nope, I think that's it. We're done. That is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this glimmer. I'm loving Kendra's card sketch, her cards challenge. This is so pretty. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.